Woo! Woohoo! I can fly! Look at my wings! I'm so free! Wow, what a great dream I had! Flying was so much easier than using the tracks. I wouldn't be so sure of that, old chap. Hi Harold, I had the most amazing dream. I could fly, and it was so fun and easy. I'm afraid you're mistaken, Thomas. I can fly, and my job certainly isn't easy. All you have to do is follow the train track. That's easy. My job as a train is not easy.
All right, everyone, stop shouting. I know how we can find out who has the harder job. Thomas, I'll turn you into a helicopter. And Harold, I'll turn you into a steam train.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I could do with a day off. Wow, look, I'm a helicopter. Here I go. Ah, nice! Look at me! I better go pick up Annie and Clarabel. Oh, I didn't realise how high up I would be. This is harder than it looks. Choo-choo! Train coming through! This isn't so bad. Ooh, what's this thing sticking out of the ground? I like the pretty red light on it. I wonder what it means. Oh well, better keep moving.
Harold, why did you go through that red signal?
Sorry, Gordon. I didn't know what it meant.
Well, watch where you're going. Now I'm going to be late.
Being a train is harder than it looks. Phew, I need a quick break from flying.
Oh, Thomas, here's a package I need you to deliver to the search and rescue team.
Oh, can I just have a very quick break?
There's no time for breaks when you're a helicopter, Thomas. You have a lot to do.
Okay, here I go again. So I have to remember at the signals and points. Oh no, what's going on here? I need to get through. I'm afraid you're just gonna have to be patient here, Harold. This is a traffic jam. Everyone likes to use this route as it's the fastest.
But how am I going to get everything done now?
Maybe you should reorder your jobs or work out better routes. Being a train is difficult. I have a package for you, Flynn.
Thanks, Thomas.
And you're here just in time. We have to go rescue our Funling at the beach. But I have lots of other things to do.
You're part of the search and rescue team as well now. You have to help us. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Are we nearly there yet, Toad?
We're getting there, Harold. Don't worry. Hi, Harold. How are you doing?
Oh, fine, thanks, Thomas. Being a train is easy.
And being a helicopter is also easy. It sounds like both of you are actually finding it difficult.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! Thanks for saving me, search and rescue team. Oh, Thomas, while you're here, I have a package for delivery Funling.
Oh, okay. Off I go again. Ah, what's going on? Why have I stopped?
You've run out of coal, Harold.
What? I've only just got out of the traffic, and now I've run out of coal.
You should really keep checking your coal yourself, Harold, so that you don't run out. I'll go and get you some more.
Thank you. Here's a package for you, delivery Funling. What's all this?
These are all of the packages you have to deliver today.
What? That's loads. I'm going to try and do them all at once.
No, Thomas, you can't do that. You'll be too heavy.
It'll save a lot of time though. Let's go.
Here's your coal, Harold.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa! Oh, I'm just taking a break. Is everything okay, Thomas? I've never felt better. This job is easy. Yeah, being a train is easy too. Bye. Now I have to make up for lost time.
No, Harold, you're going too fast.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh no, what do I do? Help me! Someone! Is anyone there to help me? I don't want to fall. Don't worry, Harold, I've got you. Oh, thanks, Thomas. I have to admit, being a train is so much harder than it looks. I admire that. And I have to admit too, being a helicopter is so much harder. Oh no! Don't worry, Thomas. I'll go and get help. I've got you. Thanks, Harold. You're very welcome, Thomas. I'm glad I'm back to being a train. Let's just agree that some people make jobs look easy, but everyone's good at different things.